I'm Archana from Devi Shri Ram College, batch 2014. I completed my BA program in Economics and Psychology. But why I joined the fellowship was also I did not want a cliched career for myself and something where I can use what I have learned. The other point is it has been a journey for me, both literally and metaphorically. What fellowship has done to me is, I say, I've become a moderate from being an extremist. What would you answer if someone rejects you with the point saying that you have a short hair and you are different from us, so you cannot stay with us? So I think that is what fellowship has inculcated in me, how you will take a rejection. If I start right from learning a new culture, new language and different people, it has now come to what I am and what I want to be. If you want to get sorted out, your conflicts to be sorted out, I think this is the best place to be in. At least not to know what you want to do, you will definitely know what you don't want to be. Schools, kids, communities, everything, it will be a part of the fellowship, but the most important and amazing thing would be your peer group. You'll have a lot of things to learn from them and also to sort of collaborate or teamwork, where you will be a part of something more than yourself. You will have perceptions which will always be conflicting than what you want to be or what you think, but with the time I think you'll all get into the same point and believe me, it won't be a salad bowl. Come and join the fellowship.